this HomeBuilder series of common questions answered briefly. Today, I'm going to be creating a new model and adding it to a new phase. I already created the phase. I'm building something in a phase 3, and I'm going to be copying the same model from another phase into this one. In my situation, I'm going to go to the models queue here and look them up. I've got phase 1, I've got phase 2, and I've got some alternative phases, mid-rise and townhouses. In my situation, I want to take this Daisy model and copy it to phase 3. You see there's nothing in phase 3 yet. It's because I built the phase, but I didn't add any models to it. So let's first create the new model. I click into New, and I select phase 3. In here, I'm just going to type in the model. It's the same one. And I enter the name, and if I have a new price, I would enter that here. So let's price it up at that. If you have lot types, then the price is established in the lot type window. But we don't have that turned on here. What I can do if I want to is I can go and set everything up manually, but from my situation, what I'd like to do is copy from another model. Now in here, I'm going to go into phase 2 because I know I already had a Daisy model in phase 2. And I'm going to copy over, I'm not using lot type, so I don't want it, the house areas, the budgets, the key dates. I cannot copy model items when copying from another phase. And the reason for that is that you need to establish new vendor contracts and new pricing. And so it's just, you'll need to go to the items and push the items to the model itself. We cover that in a different video. But for the rest of it, I'll copy everything else. So I click OK, and the system says, OK, done. You will see that it's created 25 house areas, a bunch of budgetary information, some key dates. For an example, if I look into this, these house areas should all be applicable. If they were applicable in phase 2, presumably, if it's the same model, they're applicable in phase 3. So that's it. That's how to create a model card. Very briefly, if you were on a phase and you were copying everything from one phase to another, you would actually be more sensible to do an action copy content to and take all of the information and copy it to another phase. So I could have done this instead, copy to selected phase, and it will copy all the models and all the details. So that's an alternative for you. The one which I was using is the simple copy a single model. Thanks for watching.